Today we are here to ask one simple question. How do you stake Cardano using a Trezor? Let's find out. Okay, before we get to the video, one quick announcement. If you are planning on buying the new Trezor Safe 7 or any Trezor device, feel free to scan the barcode on screen right now from Trezor the Trezor or click the referral link in the description below. It really does help support the channel and I really would appreciate it. With that being said, let's get back to the video. So staking Cardano on Trezor is super simple. Assuming that your Trezor is already set up, you have all your coins right here, but let's say you didn't have Cardano on the device yet, super easy to add. You come right over here to where it says accounts, you scroll over to the plus sign. Next, what you're gonna do is come over here to Cardano and you're gonna hit find my Cardano accounts. Normally it takes about 30 seconds or so to find. Once it does, it will load up right over here in the dashboard. So once that happens, you're going to come right over here to the left where it says Cardano number 1. We are going to tap that. We're going to see the total USD value of it and how many tokens we have, which is 97.5 Cardano in this wallet. We are going to go to staking. We are going to read through this and then we are going to say delegate. So once you hit delegate, you are going to see a pop-up on your Ledger device. It's going to look like this. I highly recommend reading everything on here because it's a safety thing, but we're going to speed through it a little bit for the video. We are going to hit tap to continue. It's going to have you confirm that you want to stake and delegate. It's going to have you confirm a third time and then a fourth time. Once we do this, depending on what type of Ledger device you have, if it's a Safe 5, you're going to hold this button down right here. If it's one of the other ones that have the physical buttons, you would hold down the right button for about 3 to 4 seconds. All right, with that being said, we now have it signed on the Trezor device. Okay, perfect. And now that we're on this screen, just know you did everything right. Even though it says Cardano staking isn't active, it is. Your transaction was successfully sent to the blockchain and is waiting for confirmation. Once your staking does go live, the rewards will automatically get added to your account every 5 days or so. You don't have to claim or move anything around. It just builds and compounds on its own. Keep in mind though, the first set of rewards can take some time depending on a few things. And I've seen it take as long as 30 days before you start receiving your staking rewards. With that being said, as I am talking, it says your Cardano staking is now active. So we are officially all set. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was and you're planning on getting the Trezor Safe 7, feel free to either scan the barcode from Trezor the Trezor on the screen or click the link in the description below to use one of our referral links. It really does help the channel and I really would appreciate it. With that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.